part of the Christmas tree. Or oh, decoration for the tree. Yeah. This is direction. Wheels, screws. Oh, it comes with a thing to unscrew it. I mean, to screw it there. Where's the screws at? Of course, it's all taped up. Well, I gotta use scissors to cut this. More scissors. Got one done. There's a lot more. So, let's just. I'm just gonna use the scissors just to do this. One. Make this easy. Got another one almost done. Got that one. I don't make this easy at all. They really tie it. I'm just gonna do this way. More scissors. I gotta use that to get that open. Finally, got all these done. Now I gotta put them right here. Instructions right here. Does it come with the screws? There's no screws. Oh, the screws are already on here. They're right here. You have to unscrew it that way. Get the screws off. I'll put this right here. Screws are already on it. Take them off one at a time. This goes on the very bottom. I have the other one to do. I gotta use this. So screw that one. Well, the bottom ones, you have to use the tool to unscrew these ones. What? Ooh. There we go. Unscrew that one. I might do the top one first. I'll do the bottom one first. Maybe the top one? Yeah, the top one should go first. Let's do the top one first. Top one first. Got that one in first. Let's put that right here. Oh, come on. I got this one. Does it go this way or this way? This way. Screw this one in. Screw that in. Let's screw in fully. Let's do the other one now. This way, yeah, this way. I'll screw this one in. Only 9 minutes screwing in. Let's see. Oh, now you gotta unscrew that one. Come on. More screws? Yep, unscrew more screws. Got one screw almost done. Wait, my camera's covered up. Oh, now it's in the way again. Let's just put this on the ground. Put that on the ground. Look at that screw there. Let's take this one off. Wow, there's a lot of screws. Not that easy to put together. Where's the other one screw at? Let's put that one in there. Let's tighten this. Gotta tighten this in. Come on now. I'll screw it up again. Yeah, this is not easy to screw in right now. You have to. There we go. Got that one in. Oh no, the screw fell out. I gotta put it back in. Come on, screw, get in there. What? Why is the screw not going in? There we go. Come on, there we go. God, I wish I should have been using the electrical screwdriver thing. I'm doing it this way. Now I gotta do the bottom part. Almost right here now. Just gotta screw these in. I'm gonna put the bottom in. Now I gotta turn it around. Oopsie, and then we do that. Well, come on, nail. Screw that one in. Almost done here. Now I gotta tighten everything. That's tight. That's tight. 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 Tighten the very bottom one. There we go. Now I gotta put the wheels on. And we're done. Oh, they're screwable wheels. Take these out. Screw the wheels in. Drop one of the wheels. Oh, come on. Wheels just falling. There we go. Oh, that you need the tool for that, even though it says you don't. Even though I don't. I can just screw it myself. Well, how are you supposed to screw that in? Nothing doesn't even go in there. So I'll just have to screw it myself. There we go. Where'd the other wheel go? They both fell on the ground. Where'd they go? There they are. Both right here. Almost done. Right there, screwing them in. I'm doing it with no screwdriver. Almost done here. And we are done. Let's put this on the ground. Actually, no, I'm not done. I gotta put this on. Screw it in, screw it in, screw it in. We're almost done. Screw it in. There we go, we are done. Let's go. I'll show you the after results. Look at that, all put together. You can put cookies on here. Your presents can go on here. And instead of it, it's got a light that you can turn on the back. Does it not have the batteries? How am I supposed to know batteries? Look at that, all put together. On here, instead of it, it's got a light that you can turn on. It doesn't come with batteries. That. Oh, I've got to end the stream. The video I made.